Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy, advanced therapy for chronic illness, recovery, and regeneration. Disclaimer: the visuals presented in this video are intended solely for illustrative and entertainment purposes. They do not depict actual medical procedures or treatments performed by our staff. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy involves entering a pressurized chamber with increased levels of oxygen. This therapy offers numerous benefits for people with various chronic conditions, including cancer, autoimmune diseases, mold toxicity, Lyme disease, biotoxin exposure, and long COVID. What is hyperbaric oxygen therapy and how does it work? Hyperbaric oxygen therapy works by inhaling oxygen inside a pressurized chamber, allowing the body to absorb much more oxygen than it would under normal conditions. High pressure. You are inside a special chamber where the air pressure is 2 times greater than normal atmospheric pressure. Deep oxygenation. Oxygen dissolves not only in red blood cells, but also directly in plasma, tissues, organs, and body fluids. Benefits of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy supports immune function, reduces inflammation, stimulates tissue regeneration, and improves cellular energy. It promotes overall well-being and accelerates healing in multiple systems of the body. HBOT can often reduce symptoms in many people, depending on the type of inflammatory response. Changes in pressure and oxygen levels affect every cell in the body, since all cells require oxygen nutrients to produce energy, and since disease processes thrive in environments poor in oxygen-rich nutrients, HBOT promotes the body's natural defenses to reduce or eliminate the inflammatory responses that devastate the health of suffering individuals. For people involved in wellness and disease prevention, HBOT could be incorporated as part of a lifestyle program, which perfectly integrates with the ideas found in the field of regenerative medicine and many other disciplines. Common medical conditions treated by HBOT in Arizona. HBOT is used to treat various conditions, from acute illnesses to critical ones. Some of the most common medical conditions that are treated are sports and muscle injuries, chronic wounds, severe infections, mild brain injury, fibromyalgia, Lyme, and autism, cancer, mold illness, long COVID, and other chronic neurological or inflammatory conditions. The science behind oxygen pressure and healing. Under normal conditions, oxygen is primarily transported by red blood cells throughout the body. When entering a hyperbaric chamber, oxygen dissolves directly in the plasma, allowing it to reach damaged tissues with very low circulation. Upon reaching tissues that require it, the formation of new blood vessels, angiogenesis, is increased and collagen production is accelerated, which promotes healing. Similarly, it can have an antibacterial effect and help reduce inflammation and edema, among other benefits. Am I a suitable candidate for hyperbaric oxygen therapy? Hyperbaric oxygen therapy could be a transformative treatment for people suffering from chronic pain, chronic illnesses, cancer, autoimmune diseases, persistent injuries, frequent headaches and migraines, mold toxicity, Lyme disease, or biotoxin illness. Contact Dr. Mel at Mitogenesis in Scottsdale, Arizona, for more information and to schedule an evaluation for this therapy. FAQs: Hyperbaric oxygen therapy in Arizona. Who is a good candidate for hyperbaric oxygen therapy? To determine if you are a suitable candidate, it is necessary to consult a medical professional. It is essential that the treatment is administered by trained professionals to minimize risks. Experience the transformative potential of hyperbaric oxygen therapy at Mitogenesis in Scottsdale, Arizona. Contact Dr. Mel at 480-781-4800 or send us an email to mitogenesis@info.health to start your journey toward holistic healing and wellness. Disclaimer: the information in this video is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for the advice of your physician or other healthcare professional. Do not use the information to diagnose or treat a health problem or disease. Always consult with a healthcare professional before taking any medication or nutritional, herbal, or homeopathic supplement, or using any treatment for a health problem.